Jim. Do it there, T, just do a strip here.
Not a lot of it. That's not really that. Yeah.
Do a strip there and then get up here.
Good morning. Sunny Pudsey. It's gonna pee it down a day. Absolutely pee it down. So we're getting as much of this drive up as we can, and then we can just sit in van, take it to recycle centre up road, both go, load it up, both go. You know what I mean? Just do that. But yeah, new builds, driveways, crap. They're just crap. Wrong sand. It's not. It's grit sand, but it's more sandy than grit in a way. You know what I mean? So it keeps the moisture. So that's when you start to get your grooves in your block paving. And some of it's about 80 mil thick when it should be only like 40, 50 mil. Tops 50 mil. But yes, so we're just ripping out today, prepping. I'm off to Belgium in the morning, so Tom's going to be here building the planter down at the bottom end, and yeah, I'm just prepping. Prep. So I want to work quite late to get as much done as we can to help Tom out, but like I say, weather dependent. We'll see how we go on. Catch you soon. So there we have it. One shower. Said on Met Office, pick it down all day. One. That's it. Shows you how wrong they are. So here we are. Grass area down there. It's been taken out, as you've just seen. Everyone on here has got the worst grass, worst lawn. That much soil on it. That much soil. That. But yeah, these lines now are going to be the step. I don't know if you know, new builds, you've got to have a ramp going up to it for disability access, wider front doors, all that. So they're taking that out, having a step. So she parks there, far before there, he parks his car here to charge up. But yeah, that is it. End of my week. I'm off away for the weekend. So Tom's coming in tomorrow. Put the footing in down there. We're going to have a raised planter. Footing in, blocks in. Because all this drive, obviously going downhill that way, is going to be pushing against that wall. So we need it double skinned and whatnot. Connie in the middle of that double skin as well, just to make sure. But yeah, that's it really. Nice day. One shower. That's it, Mr. Met Office. That's it. But I'll see you all on Monday, rough as hell, 8 o'clock sharp.